Alright, rose food. It's the organic rose food. It's a fine powder. And you would do 1 handful, as much as you can get into your hand like this. You would do, and you would throw it. If this was the roses stem, because there's too much sun where the roses are, unfortunately. If this was the roses stem, you would throw it around. You can see I'm not touching the stem. Just make a circle around. It's as simple as that. After you've done it, you're going to water so it can start going into the soil. There's a few tricks with the rose food that you can also do, that I've discovered. The one thing that you can do is, when you have plants that's struggling, even big shrubs and stuff, you want them to get more leaves, or they've been pruned back a lot and you want them to grow back fast. You can, about 10 centimeters from the stem of the plant, you can make a little hole as big as a cup, normal 250 ml cup, and take the soil out that size and put this stuff into the hole. So you plug that hole with the rose food. What happens then is it slow releases when it gets water, slow releases slowly into the soil and to the roots, and it is absolutely amazing what it does. The other thing you can also do is you can make a tea. I would just take any bucket. If I would take a bucket like this, I would just throw, it's a guessing game, you know, I would throw some product in. I would fill it up with water. I'll mix it. Not everything will dissolve. It will become a brown colored water. That water is like a tea, and that you can put onto pot plants or anything that's struggling, because that's immediate. When you throw it like this, first it has to get into the soil, so it takes much longer. When you dissolve it with water and you throw it onto the plant, it's instant. You'll have some residue that's lying around at the bottom. That you can just chuck into your flower beds. Don't waste anything. It will still also work. Then, very important with this product, unfortunately the bags that we get them in, it's the Talborn product. It's a certified organic product. The bags look the same. So when we deliver, sometimes these tags fall off, and then the client has no idea what the hell, which is which, because a lot of people order of both. When this has fallen off, because the green one is the grass, the red one is for the flowers and fruits. It's for fruity, anything, any fruits, any flowers, anything in a pot except succulents. You can just look on the side, it will be marked. There, the red one is marked. Over there, this is very bad, sorry about that. This has been scratched out and the green one is marked. So they obviously made a mistake and corrected it. So that's the way to see which one is which if your tag has fallen off. That's it for the rose food.